Hey everyone, welcome to Technologic. For all the new viewers out there, this video series will help you to unravel the complex technologies in the easiest possible way. So if you are new, subscribe to my channel so you can't miss them. And today we are starting a new topic: why AI is so expensive to run. So you might have already heard this popular line saying every time you ask ChatGPT something, you are basically melting the GPUs. So these words are said by none other than Sam Altman himself, the founder of OpenAI. But are those words actually true, or it's just a myth? Yeah, well, silicon doesn't melt that easily. So basically, it's just a metaphor. But what about the power connectors? That's the real story here. The power draw for modern AI is so intense that they can literally melt those wires. It is true, and there are a lot of real world cases observed where plastic power connectors literally melted as well. So it's all due to the power draw and heat produced. So the question here is, why does thinking cost so much power compared to a normal Google search? So in order to understand this, we need to know the difference between retrieval and inference. So when you Google something, it is called retrieval. So it is simply like the computer just runs to the library, grabs a book, and show it to you. It is fast, lazy, and uses a very little energy. But when you ask something to ChatGPT, it is called inference. The computer isn't finding an answer. It is manufacturing one from scratch. And in order to do that, it has to perform billions of mathematical operations for every single word it generates. So on an average, a single Google search uses only about zero point 0.3 watt hour of energy. But a single ChatGPT conversation can use around 5 watt hours. So see the difference? That means one AI query can use over 10 to 15 times more electricity than a standard search. So literally speaking, the chips don't melt. But figuratively, we are stressing the power grid far harder than ever before. But here's the scary part. All that electricity creates heat. And to cool that heat down, we aren't just using fans anymore like in olden days. We are using, any guesses here? Yeah, water. So how much water does your chart actually consume and why it is consumed? We will see all about that in day 2. And I'm sure you'll get amazed by that. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it.